this is on, guys. Well, welcome back to that, and today we'll be finding all the plastic eggs. That's right. First up, plastic eggs. Yeah, the Easter eggs. The first one, he must be here. You see, we're near the hive and near the Eggman. You're going to. It's over there. You go get here. Do some parkour. You have more parkour. Actually, never mind. You gotta go there, and there, and you see a plastic egg, and then you gotta get it.
What is the plastic egg?
It does something, but then you gotta die sadly. You gotta die like that. You gotta die. It's so sad. I can tell this is my friend I'm recording. You need a pollen to use the microwave. Yeah, I don't care. Okay, so the second one, this is the thing Faina over here told me. If you go to honeybee near the when you need 5 bees in the blue family, you can see a hole here. Another plastic egg. Just give Thing Faina some credit for this. Okay, the last one is really complicated. Just to know, if you need a hint, go to Brown Bear. Last one is really cool. You gotta be at the Red Cannon and the Black Bear in the shop. If you go like side the shop, you'll see a hole. It is a maze. I'll guide you. And strange reason this is here. Hello, my name is Stumpy. I'm Stumpy. Hello? Okay. Whoever you are, bye bye. See you later, dude. Okay, that's the exit. This path has appeared. Yeah, I don't care who, unless it's a legendary. I think gotta go here, and then gotta do there, and you see the plastic egg. That's how you get all the plastic eggs. I'll try to do a bonus, try and find the man. This might take a while. You might want to fast forward this if you're on an iPad. Exit. What do you say? Black screen? I found a jelly bean. Man, what are you doing? How do I get to him? Welp, let's go find him.
Wait, can you go through the wall?
No, you can't go through a wall.
No, like there's like
Ah!
No, not there. Go.
Okay, doesn't matter. So where do we see that guy? I think let's go out of the world. Boom! So this is where the maze is. Somehow need a bomb to get here. But I'm not a bomber. I'm not Dynamite from Brawl Stars. Okay, here's the shop. It's a glitch. Well, I can't get in it. You want to try to find the man. I just reset. Ouch. My face looks so ugly. My hands. Okay, that's just inappropriate. Don't look at that, guys. I need to start treat somehow. Okay? If you send me Robux, then maybe I'll do some more of these tutorials of how to get things. Hope this thing is on. Wait, let me test. Okay? Okay, I just turned the volume off for a second. Everything's okay. Don't have to worry. I see on it. Hello there, on it. I'm still better. Who had more storage? I think I have more storage. Selfie, stop it, bees. You're covering the selfie. Selfie. I just saw a big fat right. Just try to slow mo that. I can't because I'm a noob at making these weird videos. Okay, and just know another secret over here. Gummy bear. You wanna get like 2,500, which is not simple. The club thingy. Hello, new bear. I buyed all your stuff. You happy? You happy? You're sold out. Ho ho ho. I'm gonna try to just jump like a pro. Ah! No! I'm too pretty. I want my mommy. Like a boss. You did not see that. Okay, there. Ah, no! I gotta restart. This is a trick you can do. Okay, here's the shop. Oh my goodness. Only a pro can wear this. What does it do anyways? Take on the be able to and powerful to type upon 50 plus 4. Not bad. But so expensive. Why? How dare you, Demon Man? I hate you, Demon Man. It's like nobody has this.
What?
Demon Mask.
How did you?
It's a glitch. Okay?
Can you walk on the lava?
No, then you die. Of course, who can walk on lava? Nobody.
You said it was a glitch.
You can jump on it only. You can jump on only. Ah. Yes.
Yeah.
Stop saying yeah. Then this guy has to take like 25% of credit for showing me the thing. Okay, let's do some more stuff while we're on it. Let's look at the man again. Meanwhile, I'm gonna need to do secret stuff. So, actually not secret. Almost like everyone knows this guy, this thing. Someday I'll just. How do I generate the bronze? I actually have no idea. 6 more jellies, wish me luck on legendary. Because I have too much. Shockbee, you're out of here. You're so shocked because I'm gonna transform you. I have 22 royal jelly. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Too bad. No, that's not good enough. No, that's no. Oh no, that's bad. No, I don't like that one either. Oh, I'm stuck with Brave Bee. I shouldn't have kept the Fire Bee. I'm gonna destroy that Brave Bee. No, I'm not gonna destroy it. I'm too kind. I already destroyed one already. I destroyed his cousin already. I destroyed his cousin. Oh, there's the God Bees. Hi, God Bees. There's so much bees in my chat. See, bee 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 bee. Be happy. Oh, there's my friend Think Feiner. He always thinks a lot. Some strange reason he named himself that for some really strange reason. I have no idea why. A mother bear. They come down and give me moons. You wanna have a moon pet? See, a moon pet. Give me some sugar. Fine. Give me some sugar. Okay, that's it. Cool. Yep, I'm gonna upload this as fast as I can, guys. And please subscribe to me. Yeah, of course. Remember, my last video was the one with let's see, with 124 views. Make it to 1,000. Get to 1,000, and also my channel to 1,000 because then you can do the face reveal. Wait, maybe I should change the face reveal to 1 million. Now I'll change it. Okay, new plan. The face reveal is at 500. No, it's 50k. 50k. I changed it. I know, because I'm going to be powerful and popular. Okay, there. Oof. Blueberries. I got Moonstone that's totally useless for me right now. Let me feed them. The new goal is 50k. Because 1,000 is just not much. I got some marshmallow bees, fire bee. There you go, lad, you little fire bee. There you go, yeah, diamond bee. There you go, yeah, rage bee. That's music bee. There you go, yeah, music bee. If you're a fan of Disbelief Papyrus, then just comment down below. I just said that randomly. More tips and tricks in if I get to 50, then I'll do more tips and tricks. But right now, Polar Bear needs me. This is gonna hurt. Ouch! I'm standing on a cactus. Warning: don't do this at home, kids. Hey there, are you hungry? No. Okay, there. Hop. Yep. Hop. Okay, so what quest do we have? Oh, that's gonna be easy. Especially I'm mastered. Why are you doing so easy stuff? Boom. What's next? I think it's cactus. Okay, there. Easy as pie. Yep. Okay, not done yet. Here up. Love. Panda Express. Or the Phoenix except from Cuphead. Okay, that's enough. Where's Blueberry? I need blue. And I don't like berries. Mine. I'm here to steal all stuff. Yeah. I'm so evil. Okay, next, let's just make some honey. 1 second later. There. Where do you need to go now? Blue. Why blue? That's my favorite color, blue. Why did I say that? Yep. Miss me, now you gotta kiss me. That's the old saying. Okay. Yep. Okay, blue flower. Yep. Miss me. Okay. There. Okay, we're almost done. Why is this so easy anyways? It's like baby. No offense, beginners. Okay. There. I'm a polar bear though. I went the wrong way. I feel like my head's falling off. He's jumped on the cactus. Don't do that at home, kids. More secrets reveal that if I get to 50. Okay, this is the end of the video. See you next year or century or when I get 50 subscribers. Goodbye. Boo.